In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 Notion side hustles you can start today. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn extra income with a tool you might already use, Notion is a great place to start. It's an all-in-one workspace where you can build dashboards, manage projects, and create systems that other people will pay for. We're going to cover 3 practical paths: selling pre-made templates, offering consulting services, and using Notion to run your existing side hustles more efficiently. First up is selling Notion templates. This means creating pre-built dashboards that help people save time and get organized quickly. Think budget trackers, content calendars, project management systems, or even complete operating systems for specific side hustles. The key is to solve a clear problem and keep the template simple to adopt. Show how it works with clean previews and short demos, write clear instructions, and offer a light version or a walkthrough to build trust. You can list your templates on Notion's marketplace, Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Start with one well-defined use case, then iterate based on feedback and common requests. Next is Notion Consulting. Here, you help individuals or teams set up and customize Notion for their exact needs. That could mean organizing client projects, building a client management system, or creating internal workflows that keep a business on track. The best way to start is by creating content that shows your approach, tutorials, short tips, or case studies. This builds an audience and naturally attracts people who want hands-on help. Offer a simple service package at first to gauge demand and refine your process, then grow from there. Keep the focus on results: fewer clicks, clearer views, and a reliable system your clients actually use. Finally, use Notion to manage your other side hustles. Treat it as your command center. If you're a content creator, plan scripts, track ideas from brainstorm to publish, schedule social posts, and keep an eye on analytics in one place. If you sell online, create pages to track inventory, manage orders, and monitor income and expenses. If you freelance, organize client briefs, tasks, timelines, invoices, and income tracking so nothing slips. This works because Notion is flexible. You can combine databases, templates, and views to match your workflow, not the other way around. Start with the essentials, then add features as your needs grow. Whether you sell templates, consult, or streamline the work you already do, Notion gives you a real path to more organized, profitable side hustles.